A 5% salary increase adds $2,000 to $10,000 per year, more than any budget cut could realistically achieve. Most people never ask because they don't know how. Here's the script. Look up your market rate on Glassdoor, levels.fyi, LinkedIn salary. Know the range for your title, location, and years of experience. You need a number before you can negotiate one. Document projects completed, revenue generated, costs saved, promotions earned. Specific numbers are 10x more persuasive than general statements. I led the project that saved $180,000 versus I've worked hard this year. After a win or completed project, while your value is visible. Before performance reviews, sets the conversation early. Never ask during budget cuts, layoffs, or company bad news cycles. Based on market data and my contributions, I'd like to discuss adjusting my salary to X. State your number. Don't ask, what can you offer? You leave money behind. Start 10 to 20% above your actual target to leave room to negotiate. Ask, what would it take for me to reach X in the next 6 months? Get specific, skills, metrics, timeline. Put it in writing. If no path exists, the market is your answer. Competing offers are your leverage. Free salary negotiation tracker and financial goal planner at funbiz.gumroad.com. Know your numbers before you walk in. Download free at the link. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.